Hi, I'm Griffin Baring, Product Manager for Crescent brand hand tools. I'd like to tell you about 3 new Crescent X6 series products. Every X6 product lets you grip 6 different types of fasteners, so you can work on hex, square, 12-point, E-torque, spline, and even partially rounded hex fasteners with just a single tool. First up is our 7-piece combination wrench set. These combo wrenches have an innovative ratcheting open end and an X6 designed box end. The ratcheting open end lets you turn nuts and bolts without ever having to take the wrench off the fastener, even if the fastener is partially damaged. The X6 box end works on 6 different types of fasteners, so these wrenches are ready for anything. Each set comes with a handy storage tray and is available in SAE or metric. Next, the versatile X6 pass-through socket set. The pass-through design works even where deep sockets won't, so you don't need 2 sets of sockets anymore. And remember, these are X6 designed, so each one works on 6 different types of fasteners. This 20-piece set comes in both SAE and metric sizes and includes a convenient storage tray. And this is the 4-in-1 double box ratcheting wrench set. Each wrench has 4 different sizes in one, so you get the power to turn 8 sizes with just this 2-wrench set. Each box end accommodates 2 different sizes of fasteners and then ratchets, so you can turn nuts and bolts without ever removing the wrench. Of course, they also have the great X6 design, so you can get exceptional versatility along with a compact size that conveniently fits in your kitchen drawer or even your glove box. The Crescent X6 series combination wrench set, pass-through socket set, and 4-in-1 double box wrench set, helping make quick work of tough jobs.